Good morning, third graders. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, and I'm going to go over with you how to complete today's assignment. We're still on lesson 4, but this is week 2, day 3, and it starts with the reading of Seeds Get Around by Kate Hoffman, or other known as Ranger Rick, or also known as. You only have one passage for today. It is a longer passage. Yesterday you had 2 passages. Today you just have one, but it is a little bit longer. So you will read through this passage about seeds and how seeds move to different places and just different types of seeds and how they move around. And you'll get to page 63 after reading, and you're going to do the think portion, which it wants you to use the article Seeds Get Around and answer the following questions, like write down each type of seed where it belongs in the chart. So seeds that need animals to travel, you will write those here. And seeds that use air or water to travel, you will write them here. And these are your choices. You can choose from floaters, burrs, parachutes, shooters, and nuts. And you'll write down which category they belong in. And this question number 2 has 2 parts, part A and part B. So you'll answer both parts of this question. You're going to write a sentence in part B from the passage that helps you to understand or to answer part A. So you'll find the evidence that proves this answer is true, and you'll write that down here in this part. So then you're going to just continue to answer some questions about the article that are multiple choice questions. Here on number 4, it wants you to write the base word. Now remember, when we talked about the base word is the main part of the word. And then most words have a suffix or a prefix. And in this word right here, collecting, collect is the base word. Ing is the ending that has been added, the suffix that has been added to make it a different meaning of collect. Collecting. So you would write the word collect here on the line, and you're going to do that for each of these words. Answer number 5, and then you get to the right portion of today's lesson where it wants you to identify special parts of burrs and parachuting seeds. So you're going to go back in the text and find special parts of burr seeds and parachuting seeds. I know y'all can hear Silas in the background. I'm sorry. Silas, say hello.
Hello.
All right, now stop whining. I'm almost finished. And then you're going to go to number 7. Stop. The short response part. This is where you're going to write how burrs and parachuting seeds are different from other seeds. So you would start this by restating your question. Burrs, and parachuting seeds are different from other seeds because. That's how you would restate and begin your answer. And then you're going to use details from the article to prove that burrs and parachuting seeds are different from other types of seeds. Now this learning target right here, it just wants you to describe or tell how describing how ideas in science texts are connected and how they help you understand how things work and how things change. So it just really wants you to tell how learning about different types of seeds helps you to understand about science and how things work and why things change. So this is just your own answer here about how making connections between different things in science helps you to learn. And then that would be the end of reading for today on Wednesday. You can get on Get Epic. Go to getepic.com, or if you have already downloaded the app to a device like your parent's phone or a tablet, you can download the app. Make sure you click on that you already have an account, and then you can put in the class code CHZ2004, and you could just do some fun reading for today. If you need me, don't forget, you can text me or call me. I hope you all have a great day. I'll be calling some of you all soon to check on you. Bye.